Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about using tally marks to help us record our data. So we talked a little bit about that yesterday and how we can use tally marks to record our data, but today we're actually going to do it and practice it. So I'm going to be using M&Ms today, but I want you to find something that has different colors with it. So something I could use here would be Legos. So you can go get a handful of Legos or any toys that have different colors in them. You could do like Fruit Loops or any kind of cereal that has different colors. You could also go outside and get a handful of rocks and sort those. That would be a little trickier with what we're going to do today, but anything that has lots of colors you can use for today's lesson. So I told you I'm going to be using M&Ms. And I'm using M&M Minis because they're my favorite. So you can use your favorite candy. You could probably use Skittles or maybe even Starburst, something that you like. It doesn't have to be what I'm using. You're going to use what you can at your house. Even like the colored goldfish would work for this. So what we're going to do right now is I want to know how many of each color I have. Okay? So the first thing we need to do when we do a tally chart is to make sure that we label what we're trying to sort. So I made these different colored dots, and actually I've already made them for you too if you go to your Google Slides here in a second. It looks like, see if I can put it under here. It looks like that. So I've already made it for you. So you're going to use this as your tally chart. I'm using that so that y'all can see it a little bit better and see what I'm doing here. Now, you don't have to do this. You can do this on paper, but you're also going to have to do it on the computer. So you can save yourself a step and just do it on the computer. So the first thing we're going to do is sort. Now, that word sort means that we're going to put things in groups together. And we're going to do a really easy sort today. We're going to sort by color. Now, you can sort by a lot of different things, and we probably will at some point, but right now, we are just going to work on sorting by color. So I put all the blues together. So whatever you're using right now, I'm going to finish sorting mine. And I want you to either pause the video or you can go get some really, really quick. Maybe you already have them. And go gather something that you can graph. Okay? Legos, cereal, anything. Go. There's my brown and the yellow and the reds. Oh, there's not very many of those little reds, are there? Reds and orange and blue and green and yellow and a lot of brown. Look at that. Okay. So now, this is a graph, right? But is it easy to tell how many I have of each? Not really. So we're going to use our tally marks to help us be able to really quickly tell which one of these has the most and how many of each. Okay, so again, it's just a really fast way to keep track of information. So I'm going to start with my reds. How many reds do I have here? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to make 3 tally marks. 1, 2, 3. You see that? So now I don't need these red M&Ms anymore. I knew I have 3. I don't have to keep them right there, right? So it's an easy way to record data. How many oranges do I have? 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Notice that my tallies are nice and straight. They're not overlapping. Now here's a little bit trickier of one. Let's go ahead. I'm going to move over my oranges. I'm going to put them back in the group over here. And let's count, and then we can make those tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 yellows. Now, you hold off doing this on yours and just watch me, and then you're going to do yours in a second. So I have 7 tallies. So remember, we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the door. That makes 5, right? Plus 5, 6, 7. You see that? So do I need to keep these yellow M&Ms there anymore? No, I can put them back in the big group, right? All right, let's do it for our blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to stop there. Did you see the way I moved the blues so I knew I had counted them and put my finger on every single one? That's important because sometimes you can miscount. So I have 6 blues, so let's go ahead and do those tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, shut the door. There's 5. 5 and 6. Okay. So 5 and 1 is 6, right? Let's go ahead and do green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 6 again. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. 6. Right? All right, let's do brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, 11. Are y'all ready to do that one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. That makes 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shut the door. So how many is that? 10. So now I've got 11 I'm trying to make. So 5, 10, 11. So I keep counting from 10 and one more. So 5, I'm going to rewrite right over that. 5 there, 5 there, plus 1 is 11. So now I can look at my graph really quickly, right? Which color had the most? Brown, right? Now here's a new word. Which color had the least? Now, when I say least, watch my fingers. Least. What do you think least means? The smallest. Which one had the smallest? Well, it was a tie between red and orange, right? Okay, so you can see the basic way that I set this up, and you're going to do it on Google Slides. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it here, and then it's going to be posted in a second. So if I wanted to set up red, I'm just going to choose a 1, 2, 3. Look at my red there. Look at my red there. Are they the same? Yeah, they are. So you're going to just do this on your computer so that I can see it. And I did mine on paper. Okay? So now it's your turn. Whatever you decided you were going to sort, now it's your chance. You're going to go back and sort whatever it is you got. If you got M&Ms, great. You can sort those. If you got something else, go ahead and do that. Now, the great part about M&Ms, if you sort those, guess what I get to do now? I get to eat them. So, hopefully, you have something yummy to sort. If not, maybe if you sort Legos, you can build something with them after. All right? So, remember, sorting is making groups that are alike. Now, that's sorting. Tally marks are a way to store information, right? Because now, all of this, I can't tell which one is what, right? I can't tell how many each one has, but I know it's already recorded right here forever. And if I need to go back and think, how many browns did I have that day? I can look at it. So that's one thing we use a graph for, is to record our data. Now, is this super important data? No, but if I was a scientist, it might be really important for me to be able to tally and keep track of things, right? And what I put in and how much of things I put in. So we're going to build up to a little bit harder data tomorrow, all right? So enjoy your time making your graph. I can't wait to see what y'all sort. If you sort something crazy, make sure I get a picture. Or if Mom wants to send me a picture on Parent Square of you sorting, I love to see you guys working. All right? Okay, enjoy your time. Bye, guys.